बस ठीक है, she said it. Yeah, give it up for her, ladies and gentlemen. And now it's time to talk to this superstar. सर कार्तिकेय 2 की बात होती है, लेकिन लेट मी टेल यू उससे पहले से इन दिस पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री यू नो वीव सीन योर मूवीज, बड़ा सारा प्यार उससे पहले से आपको मिलता आया है, अभी सबसे रूबरू हो रहे हैं, क्या बोलना चाहेंगे सर सबसे पहले?
First of all, Nitin bhai, your energy is like amazing. So I want to say thank you because you know your presence here has made this occasion so good.
Thank you so much.
And
Yeah,
secondly, I
amazing.
want to say मैं सारे मीडिया को धन्यवाद बोलना चाहता हूँ. आप सब लोग आई नो यू बीन वेटिंग फॉर सम टाइम. वेरी अपोलोजाइज बिकॉज सुबह में हैदराबाद में इवेंट था और फ्लाइट थोड़ा लैंड होने में टाइम लग गई से, इसलिए आई एम लाइक वी आर लिटिल लेट. बट थैंक यू सो मच एंड यू हैव ऑलवेज सपोर्टेड मी कार्तिकेय 2 के लिए. All the effort and all the love you have given me and the support you have given me. I was a nobody, maybe my dub films would come, but उस film के time पे I know you tweeted about it, talked about it, wrote reviews about it, and on YouTube everywhere it was there, and it was given so much love. It made so much money here in at the box office in Hindi too, and I'm always grateful for that, and I want to thank you all, and I'm going to keep coming, and I want to take, I want to meet all these influencers, even the smallest of the smallest, people who have helped us. And I also want to request that, guys, we are back with another film. It's called Swayambhu. And this film will not disappoint you. I've done other films in between, but I've not come to promote it here. But this film, I think, सबको करेक्ट होगा और अब सबको बहुत पसंद आएगा. इसीलिए मैं वापस आया हूँ स्वयंभू के साथ और इतने बड़े स्टारकास्ट के साथ और इतने टॉप टेक्नीशियंस के साथ. यू हैव गॉट रवि बसरूर सर, who's like India's right now, not India's, like world's most like sought after music director, and Sendil Garu, who's like gone to the Oscars, like in his frames of like created sensations, and everybody's here like Samyukta, Nabha, and so many more actors who have not come, and you're going to meet them in the future like Subraju Garu and Sunil, and got many stars, even Nawab Shah who's like here, Mukesh Khanna sir who's here. The Shaktiman is part of our film. Swayambhu mein hai wo bhi. So we're all going to meet them for the trailer, and I'm very happy that you enjoyed this trailer too, teaser too.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Hi, boliye. No, we love you. I love you so much, and I'm going to spend more time, and हम सब मिलके बात करेंगे. We'll have a nice conversation very soon. Whenever you guys are ready.
Before anything else, sir, मेरे को एक बात बताइए, मेरे को पूछना है. हमने सेंगोल की बात किया यहाँ पे,
हाँ.
वो सेप्टर, is it the same scepter जो कि ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया मोदी जी ने ऐसा पार्लियामेंट में, नई पार्लियामेंट में रखा है, ये वही उसी से कुछ?
आप सही हो, आप जो भी बोल रहे हो वो सही है. द प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी went to the parliament and had the Senegal placed, he did a lot of puja, and they had a ceremony for it and they placed it in the parliament. This is the same Senegal that is going to be seen in Swayambhu. And there is a huge story behind that. I think if you've seen the beginning of the teaser, आपको समझ में आएगा कि ये Senegal किसके पास है. That was a transfer of power. When transfer of power happened between kingdoms, Senegal was the mark. Senegal was the the symbol exactly. And I believe that it said, the director has told me, and we have done research, that the Senegal has come from Lord Shiva, and he himself has given it to Ram, and and Lord Rama had the Senegal with him, and wherever the Senegal is there, that nation is going to be prosperous, that kingdom is going to be prosperous, and that is the reason why Modi ji went to the parliament and placed it so that our nation is always prosperous. And so it's a big story. I mean, सब लोग बोल रहे थे कि like क्या है Senegal लगाया है, क्या है ये, but this is a deep, very culturally rooted story that we are telling here, and we are telling it with amazing visuals, amazing cinematography, amazing music. And I think this film is supposed to be watched by everyone, because sometimes history is changed by very small guys. मैं इस movie में एक बहुत ही खेलते हुए a guy next door हूँ, मगर with big dreams, and what this underdog does to change history along the way, and the shape of a nation is what this movie Swayambhu is about.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग दैट. भरत सर प्लीज मुझे बताएं, आपने लिखा भी है तो टॉक टू अस. ये इतिहास से, जैसे सर ने जस्ट बताया, इतिहास से भी जुड़ा हुआ है, बट एट द सेम टाइम ये कितना रियल है आपके अनुसार और कितना